Bitcoin, 101 Frequently Asked Questions Part 6, question numbers 51 to 60, www.learnbisel.com.
51. As an investment, is Bitcoin a sure thing? (52) Where can I find a forum to discuss Bitcoin? 53. How are new Bitcoins created? 54. What's the current total number of Bitcoins in existence? 55. How divisible are Bitcoins? 56. What do I call the various denominations of Bitcoin? 57. In Bitcoin, how does the halving work when the number gets really small? 58. How long will it take to generate all the Bitcoins? 59. If no more Bitcoins are going to be generated, will more blocks be created? 60. But if no more coins are generated, what happens when Bitcoins are lost? Won't that be a problem?